Hi, welcome back my friends. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. Now there is a special announcement today. We are starting a workshop on WhatsApp on self-hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind. Now my friend, we did this workshop a few months back and we got a wonderful response, and we keep getting a lot of phone calls and inquiries to do the workshop again. So we have decided to do this workshop again, which is going to start on 11th of March 2019. It is a 15-day program where we will be sending you 1 or 2 lessons every day. Sometime it will be audio lessons, sometime it will be a PDF. You get it every day, which you can listen and do the exercises at home. The advantage of WhatsApp workshop is you can learn it from home. Because I conduct workshop in Hyderabad, I keep getting calls from all over India and abroad because they could not come and attend. So this is a very powerful workshop where you learn by doing it. This is on self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is a very powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind, change the programming, remove the negative programming. I practice self-hypnosis every day. And now my friend, I work with the top level sportsmen in India, and first thing which I do with them is teach them self-hypnosis so that they can program their mind and achieve what they want in their life. And this is a 15-day workshop where we are learning step by step. You will learn what conscious mind is there, how subconscious mind, what self-hypnosis is, then learn a technique to go into self-hypnosis instantly. Then program your mind and come out. The whole process will take between 1 minute to 5 minutes depending on your programming. Going into self-hypnosis will take few seconds. Once you are there, you can program your mind through visualization, affirmations, and then come out. And the programming remains in your subconscious mind. It's a powerful tool. Self-hypnosis is a very powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind. Now let me tell you what you are going to learn in this workshop. You learn about conscious mind, subconscious mind, myths about hypnosis, how subconscious mind is being programmed, how to enter into self-hypnosis, and I'll be giving you 2 audio files of my very powerful program on Master Self-Hypnosis. In that program, by the time you finish listening to both the side and practicing, you are a master self-hypnosis. And plus, you will learn how to use self-hypnosis in day-to-day life. Then how to program your subconscious mind using self-hypnosis through affirmations and visualizations. You will learn how to create your own affirmations. And then very important thing, sometimes affirmation doesn't work. Yes, sometimes it doesn't work if you don't know how to do it correctly. And I have found out a very powerful method called questioning method. Questions are more powerful than affirmations. Tony Robbins says, quality of your life depends on the quality of questions you ask. You will learn how to use questions. We'll give you a sample question so you can change your affirmation into question and use it. And you can use it in hypnosis or without hypnosis. That is the powerful. And then you will learn how to use visualization. Visualization is very, very important. You will learn how to use creative visualization. You will learn techniques how to practice creative visualization. Then we'll give you a lot of techniques and tips how to use creative visualization in combination with self-hypnosis and affirmations. All these things will be a practical, no theory here. Maybe 1 or 2 lessons will give you a little bit theory about your mind. All there will be exercises which you do it with your eyes closed. Now you can listen to them on your mobile, on a speakerphone, or you can download it on your computer and listen to it and practice. The advantage of WhatsApp course is you can practice anytime, anywhere, whenever you want it. So what happened in the workshop? When we conduct a workshop, people come and learn it, they can't rewind and do it again. Here you have an advantage of rewinding, listening, and do it again and again. And it's a practical workshop. Every day you will get a lesson. Sometime it will be audio files, sometime it will be a PDF, plus we'll give you a bonus of my creative visualization ebook. So that it's a full ebook where a lot of techniques and things are there which you can download, print and use it. Now this workshop is starting on 11th of March 2019 and you have to register before 11 because 11 we start sending you lessons. Now important thing is there is a number given there. You need to save that number on your mobile because we are not creating a group here. We are creating a broadcast list. You will get a message only if you have registered that mobile number on your mobile. The number will be there down below. And what is the investment for learning this? Normally we charge 3,000 rupees for this workshop plus GST, which comes to 3,540. But right now there is a very special discount which is only 1,000 rupees plus 180 is a GST. That means 1,180 rupees, 1,180 rupees. Now I want you to, if you really want to program your mind, learn self-hypnosis, achieve what you want to achieve in your life, this is a course for you. So my friend, register right now. Go below the link and register immediately. If you're watching this video on YouTube, there is a link below. Go to my website and register. If you're watching on a Facebook, again there is a link there. Go below and link and register immediately. You can register through Pay Your Money by paying your credit card, debit card, or there is a bank detail. You can transfer there and then send us a mail so that, or talk to us. There is a mobile number there. You can call us immediately so that we can check and register you so that you start getting lessons. And last time when we did this workshop, lot of people registered for the workshop, but when the workshop started, people still calling us and wanted and to get registered, and that sometimes becomes difficult for us to do it. So please register before 10th. As soon as possible, register immediately, and so that you get a bonuses also and get a lesson every day so that you can program your mind, your subconscious mind, and become successful in your life. So my friend, I'm looking forward to seeing you on 11th of March. The first lesson you get on 11th of March. So my friend, register right now. Click on the link below, register immediately, and share with your friends if they are also interested in learning it. Thank you very much and see you on 11th March 2019. Thank you very much and all the best.